Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how the notes are associated with chords. Like according to C major in ukulele, first is C, D, F, then G will be open fourth, then A, then B, C. So normal C, this is associated with C major chord. Next note is coming D. This will associated with G major. So as I said, you have to take G major. So on second fret, these two fingers, then on third fret of second string, it should be. So and then F major. All will be open. Only you have to hold this second string first fret and fourth string second fret. So first C major, then D, that is G major, E again C major, then F major chord, then G, it can be C or it can be G, then A again, or if you want to take A minor, then you will have to remove this finger, then this will be A minor, then B note that is associated with G, then C. So in that case, you'll have to understand the sound. Suppose you have to sing a song or you have to do the accompanying part. So in that case, you have to understand where the note is going. Like this is, and when it will go like this, then this, so this is the easy way to understand that when you will have to do the accompanying part. So how the sound is moving, according to that your chord will change. If I'll take the small song, this, when I come from Alabama with banjo on my knee, I'm going to Louisiana for my true love for to see. That quickly you have to check. Hey friend, all night the day I left, the weather it was right, the sun so hot it froze to death, Susanna don't you cry. Then oh Susanna, don't you cry for me, when I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. So according to, so you will have to feel the sound. So if it is a note is going like, then F chord. If it is note is going like this, then the G chord, C chord. And firstly, if it is in the case of major, and when it will be in minor, so according to that the notes will change. So for this video, this much I'm just taking, and thank you very much for joining. Have a nice day.